Welcome back, Savvy Savers. Are missed calls and spammy voicemails eating up your time? Most small business owners know the struggle of chasing dead leads and manually logging calls that go nowhere. And website chat widgets? They don't stop the phone from ringing off the hook. That's where Automaticall steps in. This powerful AI phone assistant installs directly on your number and answers calls in a natural, conversational way, even when you can't pick up. It screens out spam, captures real leads, and even sends you summaries via WhatsApp and email. In today's video, we're breaking down the Automaticall lifetime deal and how it can transform the way you handle calls and boost productivity for good. What is Automaticall? Automaticall is an AI-powered phone assistant designed to handle your calls like a pro. It installs directly on your phone number and answers missed calls instantly with a natural, human-like voice trained on your business. The system blocks spam and scam callers, captures real leads, and keeps you updated with call summaries via WhatsApp and email. You can train it in under 3 minutes with no tech skills required, and it integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Calendar. Automaticall helps you stay connected, save time, and focus on running your business without constantly worrying about missed opportunities. One-time payment, lifetime access, act fast. Normally, AI assistants like this can cost hundreds every month. But on AppSumo, you can grab Automaticall lifetime deal for a one-time payment starting at just $39. That's right, pay once and enjoy it forever. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Let's break down the tiers so you know exactly what you're getting. License Tier 1, one-time payment of $39, valued at $120, lifetime access. Offering 50 minutes per month, analytics dashboard, call evaluation, and summaries. Works in the USA, Germany, and Czech Republic. License Tier 2, one-time payment of $78, valued at $240, lifetime access. Offering 100 minutes per month. All features above included. License Tier 3, one-time payment of $117, valued at $360, lifetime access. Offering 150 minutes per month. All features above included. And of course, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 2 months and make sure it's right for you. For most important features that make Automaticall special. Smart AI call handling. Missed calls get answered instantly by an AI that sounds human and knows your business. Spam blocking. Telemarketers, scam callers, they'll be redirected so you don't waste time. Follow-ups to WhatsApp and email. Get instant call summaries and action items sent straight to your inbox or WhatsApp. Calendar integrations. Syncs with Google Calendar so important calls can become scheduled appointments in seconds. People who can get benefit from Automaticall. Course creators. Real estate agents. SaaS founders. Service providers. Consultants and coaches. Freelancers. Agencies. If you fit the bill, this tool will change how you handle your phone forever. Double your discount, extra 10% off available. Got your eyes on the Automaticall lifetime deal? Here's a little insider tip. You can stack an extra 10% off on top of the deal. Here's how to grab it. Go to AppSumo's Automaticall deal page. Enter your email in the pop-up bar that appears. Check your inbox for a special 10% off code. Use the same email at checkout. Reviews that Automaticall lifetime deal on AppSumo gets. Are you still waiting? So, are you really going to keep missing leads? Don't let your phone be a black hole for opportunities. Automaticall will answer calls, block the spam, and send you the details so you never have to worry again. Check the link in the description, explore the features, and grab this lifetime deal before it's gone. Got value from this video? Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss future reviews.